If data is the oil of the 21st century, then artificial intelligence and machine learning are the turbocharged engines driving us into the future. Remember how we talked about data science being the key to unlocking a world of endless opportunities? Well, AI and ML takes that key and opens door to a whole new universe of possibilities. Hello once again, this is Pratik and we are back again to be your guide through this ever-evolving world of education and career choices. And this is Whiteboard Consultants, where we help navigate exciting fields like AI and ML to secure your dream career. In case you have missed our last episode on data science as a career, just click on the I button right here. It's a must watch if you are serious about a career into the world of technology. Now that we have covered data science, it's time to take things up a notch. What happens when machines learn, predict, and even outperform human capabilities? Well, enter artificial intelligence and machine learning, the forces reshaping the world faster than any technical shift we have ever seen before. By 2025, the global AI market is set to reach a jaw-dropping 190 billion US dollars. Well, that's an annual growth rate of 36%. And companies everywhere are pouring resources into AI and ML. In fact, AI job postings have skyrocketed by 74% over the last 5 years alone. Don't believe me? Go on and you can check it out right now on any job portal that you follow. From Silicon Valley to the far corners of the globe, the demand for AI and ML experts is just simply off the charts. Whether it's healthcare breakthroughs, financial forecasting, or even transforming entertainment, AI is touching every sector and every industry by opening up endless opportunities. Now fast forward to 2025. Imagine a world where AI just doesn't assist you, it anticipates your needs. Machines won't just learn, they'll evolve. According to PwC, AI is expected to contribute a mind-boggling 15.7 trillion US dollars to the global economy by 2030. And who will be at the forefront of this revolution? Innovators and experts like you. And if you choose to pursue AI and ML as a career. But then here's a multi-million-dollar question. Is AI and ML the right career for you? Whether you are intrigued by building intelligent systems, solving complex problems, or pushing the boundaries of what technology can do, there's a place for you in this field. Here's why AI and ML are the careers to consider. First part, with an average salary of 120,000 US dollars and the potential to earn well over 200,000 US dollars as you gain expertise into this field of AI. AI and ML aren't just part of the future. They're happening right here and right now as you watch this video. And speaking of now, let's now talk about the AI market in India. According to NASSCOM and BCG, India's AI market is projected to hit 7 billion US dollars by 2025. And it is growing at an impressive 25 to 35% CAGR annually. This surge will drive the demand for AI experts across all sectors, right from engineers and data scientists to researchers and business analysts. And the most important part, the average salaries for AI and ML professionals in India, they vary depending on a lot of factors like experience, location, company size, and most importantly, your specific skill sets. However, based on the recent data from platforms like PayScale and Glassdoor, here's a general estimate for you. Ideally, an entry-level AI ML professional, at least a minimum of 5 to 10 lakhs per annum. Speaking of a mid-level AI and ML professional, well, they can jolly well expect salaries ranging from at least 10 to 20 lakhs per annum. Senior AI and ML professionals can often earn upwards of 20 lakhs per annum. And with experienced professionals and with those specialized in roles potentially the earning possibilities are much, much higher. However, please note that these are just estimates and actual salaries can vary significantly. Now, talking of earnings, it's also important to consider other forms of compensation as well, such as bonuses, stock options, and benefits, which can add to your overall compensation package. Again, these are just estimates, but with experience and specialization, your earning potential can go on even higher. Plus, don't forget about the bonuses and stock options and other perks that can further sweeten this deal. Here's a pro tip for you. Always think beyond just salary. Consider the entire package, which takes into account job satisfaction, growth potential, and definitely, as I've already spoken about, benefits like stock options and bonuses. Well, a career in AI and ML offers it all. So, if you're ready to jump into the world of AI and ML, but need a bit of a help in crafting a personalized plan, please don't hesitate to ask. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll get back to you. Or else, if you prefer, click on the link in the description and DM me directly for a customized action plan crafted to your specific needs. Now, before you go, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you never miss out on any of our future videos. In our upcoming episodes, we will deep dive into the skills you need to succeed in AI, the top universities to consider, and how to land your dream job into this sphere of AI and ML. So guys, I will see you next week with more exciting contents. Until then, take care, research a little bit, and keep exploring the possibilities of AI and ML. For now, bye-bye.